Dashwant, what's this? What's this? Very good. Zebra is a wild animal or farm animal? Very good, Dashwant. Sanjay, what's this? Super, Sanjay. What's that?
Dog.
Okay, dog is a wild animal or farm animal? Very good. Super, Benkal. Here, what's that?
Cow.
Cow is a? What's that? Well done, Sashwan. Janos, show me your picture. Show me your picture. What's that?
The goat.
Very good. Goat is a farm animal or a wild animal? Well,
Son of man.
super. This? Super. What's this?
It's a peacock.
Peacock is a bird or animal?
Yeah.
Super. Take it, anyone. What color is it? Very good. Where is orange color? Super, Mohammed. Dashwin, what color is it? Super, Dashwin. Fix it. Fix it, Dashwin. Dashwin, what color is it? Very good. Fix it. Good. Rajeshwari, what color is it?